Alright, this is a storm warning for Louisville, Tennessee, Florida, Texas, and others that are in effect of this major storm. Okay, let's cut the bullcrap. Weather fan has activated our tornado emergency alarm. The beacon sounded off the alarm. That's what you were hearing. That's the base alarm. So this is a tornado emergency. Seek shelter immediately if you can. This is not a test. This is a drill. This is the code red alert. Our beacons were going off. Now the orange ones are going off. That means orange flag. So yeah. This is a storm warning again. This storm is probably the biggest one of all time. The mother of all storm clouds, the king of all storm clouds. We do not know, but it's been there since asteroid impact on the dinosaurs. And yeah, we have launched emergency broadcast right here and right now. Once again, this video is a emergency alert. This video is an emergency from ESA alert. A tornado emergency and a storm warning has been issued for the cities that I just said a moment ago. Louisville, Tennessee, Florida, Texas, California, and in Pakistan, LA, and others. This storm, it will not change. It will not. Okay? So once again, this is a tornado emergency. Take shelter immediately. This tornado is an EF5 regarding to our radar going absolutely crazy because it detected this little sucker. Once again, this is a tornado emergency. Now, Ron Hall and Max Velocity gets a shout out because they have the same thing too. But their lights go red. This sucker don't. I'm trying to go and get some new beacons. I'm going to put one right there. And my other one's going to be run from the camera. I'm going to activate both of them and do the alarm. Turn off all the lights and cover the sun and let the beacons go wee 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 wee. That's just a tornado emergency. Wee 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 wee. Yeah. And we got a little airhead siren just in case if something goes wrong, and we have to go to second headquarters to take care of that problem. Let me show you what it sounds like. I can't show you on camera because it's a big sucker. You activate the code, it's 2234. That stands for ERS, emergency. Activate it with your hand, let's scan it. And it activates in 5 seconds. And I got speakers too, they're over here. Activate code. ERS. Activate it. This is a tornado emergency alert. This is an emergency alert. Seek shelter now. We are under attack. I repeat, we are under attack. This is a storm emergency. This is an emergency. This is a code red. This is a code red. And then that activates Arrowhead again. This is a storm warning. I repeat, this is a storm warning. This is an emergency. Get to the second headquarters now. Get to the base now. Report to HQ now. That's what it sounds like. Okay. Once again, this is an actual tornado emergency. Beep. Drill speaker. This is not a test. This is a drill. This is a tornado emergency. This is a tornado emergency. Information will come. Seek shelter now. That's all it does. It's a little short. I have to fix it. Hopes. So this is a tornado emergency. Seek shelter now. Another video coming soon.